Hey everyone, thank you so much for being here today. My name is Denise. I'm also known as heywigsister on Instagram and Facebook. Today I want to show you an awesome curling iron. I'm here to show you the BEACHWAVER Curling Iron. Look what it does. It turns automatically. I'm going to demonstrate how to use this on a human hair wig, but you can use this on bio hair. You can even use it on heat-friendly synthetic wigs. So if you are struggling to put curls into hair, this could be a great solution for you, and I'm going to show you how to use it. I am so excited to be bringing this curling iron to you guys. I am thrilled with it. It has completely changed my wig wearing life and has made such a positive difference for me. I struggle so much to put curl in hair. I'm all thumbs when it comes to styling, and not only that, but I have arthritis in my fingers, I have joint problems, and so curling hair is a real chore for me, and I just choose not to do it a lot of the time. But I discovered these curling irons by BEACHWAVER, and I cannot believe what a difference it makes. This one is actually the S1.25 by BEACHWAVER. I also have the B1. That one is a 1 inch. This is 1.25 inches, so it's a bigger barrel. And this one has an automated, it's got a digital readout for temperature, but it also has a home button. So when you go to put curl in your hair and you turn it, you can hit the home button and it will go back to the front, whereas the other one you have to do that manually. So that can be helpful. Just note that they have different versions that have some different features if you're looking to purchase one. I do have a discount code in the description, so if you'd like to purchase one, you can use that discount code to get a percentage off, and it's great. You might want one. So let's demonstrate this. I have on my head right now a human hair wig by Lose Wigs. And I have reviewed this wig. I've talked about this wig a lot. This will work on your bio hair. So if you don't have a wig on like me, you can see this is a wig. You can do this on your bio hair. It will also work on heat-friendly synthetic wigs. I personally struggle to put curl in heat-friendly synthetic wigs. I just haven't mastered that technique yet. But for those of you who are good at putting curl in heat-friendly wigs, this will work for you, and it may just be great. Let me just tell you a quick story. So my stepdaughter was home for the 4th of July. She was here for the 4th of July, and no, for my daughter's graduation. Doesn't really matter. And she was getting ready and she found my B1. I hadn't gotten this one yet in the bathroom, and she started curling her hair with it. When I walked by the bathroom, I'm like, oh my gosh, you've discovered that. And she goes, oh gosh, this is awesome. She goes, as a matter of fact, I just bought one. So she went on her phone after curling half her head and decided to buy herself one because it was so amazing. I wish she would have told me because I would have bought it for her. But she said it helped her to curl her hair in half the time. It really is awesome. So let me just demonstrate. This hair is freshly washed, and I did put a heat protectant in, so it's all prepped. And so all you have to do, and I'm not gonna demonstrate the whole head. I don't think you need to see me curl the whole head. You just want to see how it works. And so what you might do is you'd put some of your hair up so that you can curl the underside first. And that's not what I'm gonna do, because I'm just gonna show you how I use it. So it's got a little tiny clamp here, and then you just, whatever direction you want to turn the hair in, you just push the button that you need to push, and you look at that. It just turns on its own. It's so amazing. And then what I like to do is I don't like the super straight ends that come with leaving a little bit of the hair out. So I just kind of loosen it a little bit and then turn it a little bit more to get that little end in there. That way I get a curl all throughout the whole thing. And then I just take it out, and look at that, you guys. It works so great. I mean, it's just like a curling iron. There's nothing, the unique thing about it is the spinning barrel. But if you're used to curling your hair and using a regular curling iron, this is going to work just like that. It is just awesome. I'll demonstrate one more time. And so what you want to do, and so basically you just have to figure out what size barrel you need to do whatever it is you're trying to do, whatever your length of hair is. Let me get that end in there a little bit. and then, you know, hold it for however long. That one I held for less time, and you can see the curl isn't quite as formed. It's a little bit looser. So however you want to do it, that's all you have to do. Now, if you're a wig wearer, which I think most of you are who are watching this video, unless you discovered it because you did a search for BEACHWAVER, you can do this on a wig head. That's one of the beautiful things about wearing wigs, especially if you struggle with styling or if you have joint issues. You don't have to style this on your head. You can get yourself, so beautiful. You can get yourself a mannequin head, put the wig on the mannequin head, then style it on there, and then put the wig on your head. If you have not discovered wigs yet, let me just tell you, you don't just have to have, look at that. So awesome, you guys. You don't have to have hair loss to wear wigs. You can just want to protect your own hair, or maybe you've processed your hair so much and you need to let it grow out and get rid of some of that processing. So you might want to wear wigs, or you don't want to pay the salon fees. You can buy, let's say you're not a blonde, but you want to wear a blonde wig sometimes, you can get a wig for that. Another great use for wigs is if you have joint issues. I had a friend who had to have surgery on her shoulder. She injured it, but she was trying to go through physical therapy first, and it took a while to get in for an appointment. She couldn't style her hair. She couldn't lift her arm up. Her shoulder was so damaged. So I brought my wigs over. She tried on some, found one that she liked. She ended up wearing that wig for a couple of years. She bought some other ones to replace it while she was going through her whole shoulder debacle, going through rehab, going through surgery, going through recovery, rehab again. And it just was such a lifesaver for her. So I just want to put that plug in case you haven't discovered wigs. There you go, you guys. You just do your whole head, and it will take you half the time that it would have taken you with a regular curling iron. And you can adjust the temperature to whatever temperature you want to use. Maybe you start out at a lower temperature and then increase it if you need it to help you get the effect that you're looking for. That's it, you guys. I just wanted to tell you about this awesome curling iron. I absolutely love it. Again, there's a discount in the description. These are a little bit more expensive than your typical curling iron, so keep that in mind. It's not a cheap curling iron, but they feel well made. I mean, these are sturdy and solid, and I've been watching reviews of these for quite some time before I bit the bullet and purchased one. And people rave about them. I really haven't seen any real negative reviews. I am not sponsored. I did not get a discount on this. Nobody sent me these. I am just sharing them because I think they're fabulous. So if you want to try out something and you want something awesome, you can try a BEACHWAVER. Thanks for watching, you guys. I'll talk to you soon.